So we just experienced some really odd behavior of the Avata when we were doing like a return to home. We were walking like an obstacle avoidance course through the plantation here where my father lives. And then we kicked off return to home to this exact position. And what happened there was quite unexpected. Okay, so let's just press this one, see what happens. And I'm ready to then you just follow it. Just follow what it does. So now it's going pretty high. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Interesting. So it's actually trying to take the path back that we walked. I'm not really sure that this is the idea. So, hey, come on, man. So we need to go and meet it outside on the street. What is it doing? Why is it doing that? Why isn't it just taking the easy route? At least we will be able to stop it out here. So, come here. It's coming. I'm not really sure that I understand that. Why didn't it just take the shortest route? So it's been interesting to see if it can actually get back. So that was not I had to stop it. So returning to home was not exactly on point. It was about to go into where the car was parked. Okay. So let's just try it again, just to see what this drone is all about. So we just do it in a little bit different way this time. So just fly it this way. So now we're flying it in the garden here. So now we're inside the garden. Like this. And I just want to show you that it is set to optimal RTH. So right now we are on the other side of this red house that you see there, where you see the H. So now I will initiate the return to home. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, it's doing the same. So it's playing the route backwards. Why is it doing that? That's odd. So look at this. I put my finger here. So. This is weird. I don't think this is the intended behavior. See, now it's coming here around the corner. Exactly the same. So now it's saying complex, return to home. Yes, said it's okay. It's flying back. And at the previous video, it missed this point by, I don't know, a couple of meters. But this time it's actually doing Is it weird? I'm not really sure that I understand. Let me just try one more time. Whoa! So now we are going this way instead. So we're flying it in the field here. So let's just try and enable the return to home and see what it does now. Start the recording. Yeah, so it's going up. But this time it's more like I would expect it to behave. But again, it's doing exactly the same as it did on the way out. So it's coming here. Pretty advanced actually. You see it's coming. So now I need to decide if I want to allow it to do complex navigation in complex environments. So. Yeah. Yeah. So this time it's also hitting the mark. That's within acceptable limitation. Oh, look at this. That's one thing that you need to be really careful, and that's why I'm using this launching pad every time. If you take it up like this, see, you scratch the lens. If you did that on the concrete, that would not be very, very good for this lens, these protruding lenses. So, yeah. All right, so that was an interesting test. So what we know now is that it's basically just reversing the path where it takes off. I'm not really sure that this is at least different than what I've seen in some of the other drones. They are a lot more clever in their way of finding home than this one. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they will improve that over time. It doesn't make sense if you have flown a really, really long route that it reverses that route to get back home. It could optimize the flight path. And yeah, let's see. What do you think? That was just a short experiment, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.